Hi students, this is Mohammad Yusuf Khan. Hope you all students are fine. Please unnecessarily don't move from your house. Use sanitizer, wear mask and be home and be safe and stay home. For fourth semester I am taking concrete technology. So we'll start with this concrete technology. In this we are having 6 chapters. First with introduction, we'll see with the introduction to the definition of concrete, advantages of concrete, uses of concrete in comparison to other building materials. Okay, so we'll start with the introduction. We'll see this much for this phase. Okay, introduction. As you're seeing in this introduction, concrete is a man-made building material that looks like stone. It is a hard material, concrete. And the word concrete is derived from the Latin meaning of grown together. Concrete is composite material composed of coarse granular material, like we known as coarse granular material. As all we know, we are using in aggregates, fine aggregate and coarse aggregates. Okay, particles and glues together, mixing together. Alternatively, concrete is a composite material made up of cement, aggregate, admixture and water, comprised in quantity the largest of all man-made material. We are using cement, aggregates are fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. Admixtures, we are having several admixtures like plasticizer, super plasticizer, retarders, etc. We are having more admixtures, and water in form of liquid. Okay, advantages, we can see the advantage. Concrete is very strong. It is considered as an artificial stone. Concrete is very strong. It is considered as an artificial stone. Concrete possesses a high compressive strength. It is having high compressive strength and corrosive and weathering effect are minimum. When properly prepared, its strength is equal to that of hard and natural stone. Third point, the strength of concrete can be varied by using different grades of concrete. We are using M20 grade, M25 grade, M15, M10. The strength of concrete varies in that. Concrete can be used as a structure carrying all types of stresses by suitable reinforcing in it. Reinforce in it means inducing bars like TMT bars like 10 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm. We can induce in it. The concrete is good in compression and steel is good in tension. Okay, the ingredients required for the manufacture are easily available. Cement we can easily available, fine aggregate available, coarse aggregate available, and admixtures. Okay, we'll see next to it. You can see here the green or a newly mixed concrete can be easily handled and molded or formed into the various shape or a size according to the specimen. Okay, monolithically character of concrete gives better rigidity. Fresh mixed concrete can be easily pumped, sprayed and filled into the cracks, cavities for the repairing of the existing structures. As you can easily get the point, freshly concrete can be easily pumped and sprayed to the cracks. Concrete is quite durable if cast and cured properly. It is durable when it is cured for 7 days, 14 days and so on, 21 days. Its maintenance cost is negligible. It doesn't require any maintenance cost. When it is casted, it requires only for 21 days for curing. After that we don't require any maintenance, hence it is economical in longer span. We are having 17 advantages of the concrete, we can write any 10 points from this. Okay, it possesses adequate plasticity for the workability all the construction field. The use of cement concrete is becoming more and more popular in construction for civil engineering structures, where the strength and durability are prime importance. In civil engineering, we are having more importance for the durability economically, so we are using the concrete. Uses of concrete in comparison to other building materials. Uses of concrete, we are having 13 points in it. We can write 8 to 10 points we can write for the exam point. We will see the points. Okay, concrete is the most inexpensive and most readily available material in the world. The cost of production of concrete is low compared with the other engineered construction materials. It is available. It can be given various finished, which is not possible with any other building material. Second point, it can be give very fine finish, which is not possible with any binding material. Okay, got the point? It is free from defects and flaws generally present in other materials like timber, bricks, wood, etc. Defects and flaws in sense, the hairy cracks we can find in timbers also, in hairy cracks and a round material. In bricks also we can find the hairy cracks and white patches in the bricks also, wood also. Okay, compared with the steel, the energy consumption of a concrete production is low. It can be molded easily for any shape and size and a considerable labor cost. Fresh concrete is flowable like a liquid and hence can be poured into the various formworks for the different desired shapes and sizes right on a construction site. Hence concrete can be cast into many different configurations. The concrete, when we are casting the slab, lintels, chhajjas or footings, we can easily placed in any shape. Okay, unlike wood, timber and steel, concrete can be hardened in water and can be withstand with the action of water without serious deterioration, which makes the concrete an ideal form building structures to control, store and transport water, such as pipelines, dams and submarine structures. Okay, we are having 13 points. We can write 6 to 7 points we can write for the exam point like this. It is a very suitable for construction for high rise buildings as compared to the conventional building material like a stone or bricks. Conventional to stone or bricks, we can use the concrete. Advancement is a use of admixture is possible to make the concrete require strength and durability, which is not possible in other materials. Okay, in the view of above said clearance, the concrete is extensively used in the constructions of skyscrapers, superhighways, railways, air floods, buildings, water retains structures, docks, harbors, dams, bridges, bunkers and silos. In these types of all we can use the cement concrete. It is very much expensive in these highways, railways, roadways, waterways, etc. So we have gone through with introduction, what is concrete, how the concrete is derived, what is the word of concrete, advantages of the concrete and the uses of the concrete. So in the next class we will discuss about the ingredients of concrete and further. Okay, thanks for watching the videos and I'll send the PDF, you write the notes of it. Thank you.